Alright everybody, welcome to KodaDot YouTube channel. This is Damski and today we are going to have a look on Nova Wallet and their latest integration with KodaDot. It simply means you can snipe NFTs right from your phone, so let's get on to it. The process is quite easy. You just need to set up Nova Wallet, do the classic drill like setting up a password and saving the seed phrase in some safe place. And we also have a tutorial updated in our documentation, so you might as well follow the written tutorial. Alright, so we are now in Nova Wallet. You can see I already have some balance in KSM because we need KSM to pay for fees, and there are also other cryptocurrencies here. So to interact with KodaDot, it's quite easy. You can just go up like this, and now we're gonna click on browser, and we have to find KodaDot, which is right here. So you click on KodaDot, which takes you to our web page where you can snipe NFTs right away. So here you can see that you are automatically on the search page where you can search for a certain collection, or you can filter it out by your needs. So since we are just trying it out, I'll just do from cheaper and I'll click on done. And automatically this page will show me the cheapest NFTs that are currently here right now. So I can buy this cheap one, so I can just click on this NFT because I like it maybe, and I can also make it a favorite, and I can see some information like collection, creator, and who is the owner. If I click on buy, so let's do that, then we can see a pop-up where we have to confirm a transaction, which will be basically confirming that the NFT will belong to us. So now that this is getting confirmed, we will just simply wait, and once this will be done, we can have a look at our profile and check what NFTs we have and what not. The process usually takes a couple seconds, and we can see that the transaction is in block and is already basically finished. There is some information, so if I would go to my profile, I would just click on my address here and click on profile. And I can see collected here. If I click on collected, then there is the NFT. Boom! We have it right here. Alright, so I hope this was super and easy for you. If you need any help, feel free to visit our Discord, where we are almost non-stop available to help you, and you can also tweet about us or just tweet your first minted NFT. We will be looking forward to see that. Alright, that was everything from me, and thank you for watching. Bye!